Hello there. I hope you're fine today. This is Filipino explaining. This video is just a humble request from one of my subscribers, one of my followers, one of my students here on YouTube, who had requested me to prepare it for him. But through that or through him, you can also learn. It's on uniform continuity in real analysis. Let's see. So let's look at it. Uniform continuity. I prove that fx is equals to x squared plus 4 is uniformly continuous on R. So before we start tackling or I start explaining, let's first look at definition of a uniform continuity. Definition: a function f that maps S to R is said to be uniformly continuous on S if for every epsilon that is greater than 0 there exists a delta that's greater than 0, and you can say in brackets that this delta depends only on epsilon. Such that f of x minus f of y is less than epsilon whenever x minus y delta and x y belongs to S. Was a definition for uniform continuity. So let's look at the problem itself. The problem itself was that we have to prove f of x is equals to x squared plus 4, that this is uniformly continuous on R. You have to show this. So solution: proof. Given that epsilon is greater than 0, we want to make f of x, f of y less than epsilon by making x sufficiently close to y. Now, I say that fx minus fy is equals to, now we take for fx, remember we have been given fx as x squared plus 4, so we just put this x squared plus 4 here, just substitute there, so it becomes x squared plus 4. I'm saying fx minus fy, where there's fx, we just take this, then you put it here, right there, minus fy. So fy, this x will replace it with y, so it becomes y squared. This x squared, so it becomes y squared, then plus 4, and this one, this part becomes fy. Are we there? This is fx, then this is fy. Okay. Remember this one less than epsilon. It's less than epsilon. So we simplify this. This is x squared plus 4. This times this. Negative times y squared is negative y squared. Then negative times positive 4 is negative 4. Right there? Less than epsilon. So we collect like terms. X squared minus y squared plus 4 minus 4 less than epsilon. And now we have x squared minus y squared, positive 4 plus minus negative, positive 4 minus 4, positive 4 minus 4 is 0. This is 0. Positive 4 minus 4 is 0. So we remain with x squared minus y squared, which is less than epsilon. Hope you understand. After that, we factor this out. Remember, you have to express this side. We have to express it in this form, x minus y. So we have to factor out this side, left hand side. Are we there? So we have x minus y, x plus y. Are we there? It's less than epsilon. Remember, this is the same as this. Or I can just prove it here and say, check that x minus y, x plus y. X times x is x squared, x times y is plus xy. Negative y times x is negative xy. Then negative y times y is negative y squared. So this and this is 0. It becomes x squared plus 0 minus y squared. It is x squared minus y squared. Now you have just factored it out, right? But it says the same thing. So remember, in the definition I have said that such that fx minus fy, as you have seen here, is less than epsilon whenever this x minus y is less than delta. So we have to remain with x minus y in this left hand side. So it is x minus y is less than delta, but now we divide both sides by x plus y. Here by x plus y, here by x plus y, x plus y, the modulus. Are we there? Hope you understand. For that, we compare with the delta inequality. Compare with the delta inequality. This is delta inequality. This is the delta inequality I'm talking about. X minus y less than delta. Are we there? So you can take a delta as equals to this. Are we there? If we compare, remember this x minus y. So this is equals to delta epsilon over x plus y, and hence you can say hence fx is equals to x squared plus 4. X squared plus 4 is uniformly continuous on Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, if you are new to my channel, make sure you do subscribe and hit the bell notification so that the moment I'll be uploading a new video, you'll be getting notified If you have any query or any doubts, please email me. The email is on the description here on YouTube. Thank you so much. Bye bye.